Hey guys, Romgoji here, and today we're going to have a look at all the accessories that are available for iQOO 3. Right, I've got these accessories for my phone and I think you'll like it too. But before that, if you're new here, press that subscribe button, press that bell icon. Also, since I have received 300 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway of a 6-month YouTube Premium code. If you want to participate in the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, follow us on all our social media handles, link will be down below, and comment why you like iQOO 3. Alright? And I will announce the winner on 1st September. Alright? So let's get started, guys. Okay, these are all the accessories that I've bought for my iQOO 3, and since the company has not launched their official accessories, these are some of the cool accessories I found on Amazon. But before we get started, let's talk about the phone. iQOO 3 is Snapdragon 865 powered flagship killer with 8GB RAM, LPDDR5 version and UFS 3.1, 128 to 256GB storage. And this is an amazing phone, a powerhouse, and since the last update, the OS has gone to another level. Also, it has received the Android 11 Beta 2 already and is going to launch the official Android 11 version soon. So this is getting updated really fast. The company even conducted an iQOO Connect yesterday where we video called with the company officials. So it is a really cool phone. It's a great band. It connects with people and I totally think you should buy it. And if you want, you can get it for at least 30 to 31,000 if you choose the right offers. Also, if you want Flipkart vouchers with that order of yours, go down below. There's my referral. Use that to get Flipkart vouchers with your iQOO order. Now let's get started with the accessory. The first accessory that I'm going to talk about is the case and the cover. Alright, so the case is a very important part of a phone. The one that comes with the phone is very shoddy and it gets discolored very fast. Alright, so I got this case from Amazon and it is an amazing case. Okay, this is a value active case and it has a lot of features, right? So the first thing I want to talk about is this. If you can see, there's a pattern inside the case which is observable. This pattern is actually for heat decimation. So when you use this case, your phone will not get that hot because it already has something being done for reducing the heat while you're using the case, and this is not observed in a lot of cases. So this is an awesome case, firstly because of that. Secondly, all the holes are in the right place for all the buttons. And this is something you do not get when you try to buy third-party cases for your phone. This is a soft TPU finish bumper case. So if you drop your phone, it's not going to have any damage. I dropped my phone a lot of times with this case on and nothing has happened to the phone. It's a very tough case. It's a great case and it reduces a lot of those fall problems. Now, a lot of people will tell me it seems heavy, it seems big, but when you put it on your phone, it makes you holding the phone very, very comfortable, and this is amazing. Okay, so do give it a look. Links are down in the description. Also, something it has is this stand. So this stand can be used as a pop socket to take those selfies or lay the phone down on the table to watch movies. Amazing case, really cool. Next, we are looking at the earphones, right? So these are the earphones that come with the phone, right? They're very flimsy, very cheap. The wire size is too small, right? And it can break very easily. And the bass and the audio quality is not that punchy. Now I'm going to show you the earphones I bought. Now you'll ask me why they're wired. They're wired because the phone has a hi-fi DAC and an audio jack, which is really important for users who want amazing audio experience or want to game. Alright, now these two have been selected based on their jack types, which are angled jacks, which is necessary for gaming, and their audio quality. The first is Bolt. So any Bolt earphone you buy, it has an angled jack, so it's really nice. Moreover, Bolt earphones are actually very value for money and you can get them very cheap. Alright, so these are the Oakwood ones and I don't think they're in stock anymore, but if they are, I am attaching the link down below. They get out of stock very easily because they are extremely premium and really cheap. Okay, if you're in for amazing bass quality or you do a lot of gaming, I would suggest go for Bolt dual driver earphones. Again, links down below. They are a bit bigger, but they have amazing audio quality, a much punchier bass due to having two drivers inside those earphones, and they cost less than 600 rupees. So if you want, go down below, I'll attach a link below. Second are the MI earphones basic. Now these are always available. These like MI makes them way too much, right? And these are just available for 399, and they have a gold plated angle jack, which are really nice. The audio quality is very nice for the price they are at. The audio quality is really nice, but I do not like the cable quality. The cable quality is not that nice. When you go to the Bolt, most of their earphones come with Kevlar plated cables, whereas MI earphone has a very normal cable. But when you actually use it, the MI earphones also has an amazing sound quality, so you will not regret using them. And again, if you are someone who likes a lot of bass, go for the MI dual driver earphones. Again, links down below. They have a bigger bass output, better gaming because of those dual drivers in the earphones. Alright, now the earphones are out of the way. We are going to something that is really difficult to find. So iQOO's USP for the USB cable is an angled Type-C cable, right? And I went ahead, searched a lot and found one. So this is the XMate USB-C cable, right? It supports fast charging up to 10 watt on their website, but when I connected this to my iQOO, it did support the flash charge. So amazing cable. It's fully metallic on the end, right? And it is an angled jack. So if you're gaming, you're not going to have a problem with this cable. Moreover, the angle is also on the USB-A side, right? So amazing cable, really nice. It has a fabric finish to it, and it's 5 feet long. Okay, it's a 5 feet long cable, and right now and on Amazon sale you're getting it at 199. The original price of this cable is 500 rupees, and you're getting it at 199. I think this is a very valuable accessory for your iQOO 3. Right, and it also comes with a pretty cool box, so in case you're wondering. Moreover, XMate is an Indian company, right? So you should buy it because it's an amazing company. It's an amazing cable. The quality of the cable is really nice. And if you want more such updates, by the way, you can follow me on Telegram. I have a Telegram channel where I'll be putting out all these updates and cool products that I find. Now the last product that I have is this stand. You might have seen this stand in a few of my videos. You can keep your phone like this, right? And this is just the case. There's no phone in it, but yeah. So what I like about this stand is, firstly, it's cheap, right? It's not that costly, and it's fully metallic. Even though it's cheap, it's fully metallic, and it has these pads to hold your phone there. Moreover, with the angled cable of iQOO 3, what happens is, you can put that cable up as here, and you can put your iQOO here, and it's easily connectable. Moreover, you can also put a tablet on this. I've tried putting a tab on this. It really acts as a stand for a desktop monitor, and it's really nice. So do give it a look. This might not be useful for everyone, but people who use productivity apps a lot, use Word on their phone or try to search information while doing multitasking on their laptop, I think this stand is a great deal, right? Not last, but I got these earphones for myself. These are New Republic Z earbuds, and these are shaped like the earpods. Pretty cool earbuds, pretty nice earbuds. And they're available for a great discount on Amazon right now, and they have touch sensitive buttons, so really cool, right? And but they have a micro USB charging, amazing sound quality, great 10mm neodymium drivers, so that is something you do not find at less than 1500 price range. So go have a look. I'll be attaching the links down below for the wireless earbuds too, but I am not a big fan of wireless earbuds. I just got them because when I work out I need them. Otherwise, it's wired earphones all the way. So guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment down below. You know about the giveaway. Let's get started, guys. Thank you so much. See you soon.